this beautiful floor plan in Esplanade, Lake Orange, Florida. Esplanade is one of the most beautiful communities in Lake Orange. Why do I say that? Well, this is a golf country club community. The golf membership is optional. The community has two beautiful country clubs. It has fabulous tennis court, pickleball, two big pools, a fabulous gym, and wonderful two restaurant amenities with a top of the line chef and also a casual restaurant. Absolutely beautiful community. This particular home is one of the few ones built up by John Cannon. And as you can see, as I'm walking around, you have an open floor plan, you have a beautiful kitchen coming up this way so the camera can see, The home has stainless steel appliances, absolutely beautiful. It has a wonderful floor plan. As you can see, I'm walking around. I can show you the breakfast nook and the kitchen. The appliances are absolutely beautiful. This home can be yours for $798,000. If you're interested, looking to move to Florida and find a gorgeous home in a country club community that has a low HOA with golf course, pool, a wonderful amenities, beautiful community, give me a call or click on the link below. I look forward to showing you this home and working with you.